Okay, everyone, this is probably the long-awaited series, The Confusion, right? It's the next day. I want to talk to you guys a little bit directly. This video is one of 3 parts that you're going to get today. So stick with me through all 3 of them. There's going to be kind of a natural flow, but I think you'll get what you need to know. Sadly, yesterday I had to say goodbye to my puppy Ray. He was 14. Most of you know he's actually on my arm. Which one? He's one of those guys. Anyway, but hopefully that'll explain things it's been a lot this week for me. And I'm working really hard behind the scenes because I don't want to keep apologizing for the pace. I just want you to feel okay if things seem a bit confusing or unfinished right now. We're still gathering all of our supplies. You guys are still signing up. We're still figuring out exactly where this path is going, and that's not a flaw. It is part of the process, and it is the process. So this is where life happens in real time. Just be in your energy right now and notice how it feels. Think about where we really are. This is the beginning of a walk, and it's the early part of a journey, and it's about discovering your own power. So we're realizing the authenticity to our own experience. So you get to decide what you want to take with you and what you want to leave behind. You only have to carry what you need. So one of the things that we know about, I don't know what you know about the tarot, but the Magician, this next card, as above, so below. This is recognizing that you already have every single one of the tools that you need. Now, the whole challenge is going to be based around this idea of the Fool, and it's the first card in the tarot deck, and I love this idea because the Fool steps up to the edge. He doesn't know exactly where he's going or how he's going to land, and that's exactly where we are. That's exactly where you are. And your card, your journal, your bracelet, those are your props. That's your gear, and the things that you are needing around you to support you that are going to help you walk through this without necessarily having to see the whole road ahead, all right? Right now, we currently have 89 people, and it is still increasing every day, and this is amazing, and I cannot believe how remarkably excited I am to be able to facilitate something like this. I have wanted to do this forever. Anyway, I also want to show you something. So all of your lovely patience behind the scenes is getting developed into this. I promise I am working on stuff, okay? It's happening. This is it. Anyway, so that is the actual app that's going to be released, and it's part of why things have been taking so long and much longer than we expected. So we wanted to genuinely work in a beautiful way, and it's not just function, but I'm really excited to see this out, but it's going to take a day or 2, okay? So after this, what I want you to do is go watch video 2, and there's a 4th video as well. This 4th video is going to be all the techniques. The video that's covering every single step on your card that might not be so clear, and it's all going to be in one place. So you can always come back to that when you feel like something feels unclear. You'll notice it's really long. You don't have to watch the whole thing. You will see chapters that you can click to. Oh, what is Nadi Shodhana? And you can go there and you will learn about what Nadi Shodhana is, okay? It's going to be like that thing in the footer, but it's not all the words. The words can sometimes be overlooked. So for now, what I want you to do is grab a piece of paper. This is how we're going to do it every single day. Just look at your card. Write down anything that you did do, what you already do. This is your baseline. And when the tracker is ready, you'll already have everything that you need, okay? So for today, it is this day. I came to yoga. I took the 10 a.m. nervous system reset with Jaime. I already have my tracking app for my journal. I did that. I'm going to write down, tracked my journal. I'm going to say nervous system reset at 12 o'clock with Jaime. I'm going to look at other things, and maybe I decide to eat vegetarian today. I'm going to write that down. When we come back to track, we can clearly pick 2 steps each day that we want to walk, okay? This is why it matters, because I don't want to see you guys sprinting. We are not playing bingo. This is not a bingo card. There is no first one here, and everyone is able to complete it, okay? And you have all the way until August 31st to do it. So if you take a week off, totally okay. If you're traveling, if you're heading to Italy, if all of you can manage an online demand class or a live stream from wherever you are, it counts. It's part of your journey. Sometimes we're not right in front of a yoga studio. So you're going to practice where you can, tiny steps, consistent over time in whatever circumstance you find yourself in, all right? That's how the lasting pattern that you're going to kind of try to shift unfolds. And it doesn't happen overnight, and you're not going to unwind overnight either. So the first step is just noticing. Awareness is listening, and awareness is honesty. So when you are aware, you're collecting real information, and that's your baseline, the thing that you need before you can see any growth. I hope that makes sense. So be honest with yourself and start slow. Look at all of the things that you already do. You will be fine. Few dates, I just want to actually say, sorry, to keep in mind. There are events. Going Deeper is July 19th. Partner Yoga is August 3rd. Chakra Flow is August 16th. There will be a Zoom check-in that is added to that soon, and it's going to either be the 29th or the 4th. It will be a you choose whether you want day or night. So those are coming, and thank you for walking through the unknown parts of this with me. I'll see you in